Good morning, first graders, and happy Monday. Today is Monday, March 30th, 2020, and today we're going to read a math story. Our story today is called How Much, How Many, How Far, How Heavy, How Long, How Tall is 1,000. How much, how many, how far, how heavy, how long, how tall is 1,000? On a clear night, away from the brightness of a city, the sky is full of stars. So many, you probably can't count them all. How many do you think there are? On a warm day, a hillside is often sprinkled with yellow dandelions. Could there be 1,000? What does 1,000 look like? If you collect 1,000 acorns and put them in a pile, the pile won't be very big. But if the 1,000 acorns grow into oak trees, they'll make a whole forest. 1,000 sheets of paper neatly stacked make a pile about as high as 4 thick books. But if the wind blows the paper around, 1,000 sheets will litter an entire neighborhood. "1,000 people sitting in rows will fill a small hockey arena. Go Preds!" But if the 1,000 people are all waiting to get in, the line they make will stretch out the door, down the street, and right around the block. How much is 1,000? Is it a lot? That depends. If you don't like freckles, 1,000 of them is a lot. But when it comes to hair, 1,000 isn't very many. "1,000 bricks seem like a lot. Could you build a house with them?" 1,000 bricks would only make a teeny tiny house with one very small room. Would this be enough space for you? What about 1,000 French fries? Could you eat all of them? Even if you loved fries, 1,000 would be too much for one person. You could share them. A single serving has about 40 fries. How many friends would 1,000 French fries feed? How much space do 1,000 pennies take up? Could you put them in your pocket? Probably not, even if your pocket is quite big, even if you use 2 pockets. Maybe if you used all your pockets. How far is 1,000 steps? Would you be tired if you walked that far? If you walked the bases on a regular baseball diamond, 1,000 steps would make you around about 4 times, would take you around about 4 times. But if you ran, 1,000 steps would take you around about 10 times. Would that make you tired? How tall is a stack of 1,000 pennies? Is it as tall as you are? A stack of 1,000 pennies is about as tall as an 11-year-old, but a stack of 1,000 dimes would be about as tall as a 7-year-old. How heavy are 1,000 cookies? Could you lift them? If you can lift a 2-year-old, you could lift 1,000 Oreo cookies. But 1,000 large oatmeal raisin cookies could be as heavy as an 8-year-old. How long is 1,000 minutes? If you start counting minutes at 6 o'clock in the morning, when you get to 1,000, it will be long past your bedtime. How long is 1,000 days? If today were your 7th birthday, in 1,000 days, you would be almost 10 years old. Sometimes 1,000 doesn't seem like very much at all, but sometimes it seems like a great many. So, now that you know how much 1,000 is, what do you think 1,000 thousands would be? It's 1,000,000. The end.